Now, to prise the remote control open, I'm going to use the blade of a Stanley knife, and I'm going to insert it in between the upper and lower part of the remote control. Now, it's been held together by retainers, so you've got to be very careful not to break too many of them, otherwise it won't clip back into place. Now, the part I'm interested in is the rubber mat that has all the numbers on. These are the buttons, and it's the 1 to 5 that's not working correctly. So what I'm going to do is to cut the buttons out, make sure it's in a straight line, and I'm going to then turn it around, as you can see. So now the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on the bottom. Now you can put the numbers back in. Now if there are certain items there that guides the buttons, you may have to cut them off like I've done here. As you know that not all remote controls are the same, so you may have that, you may not. So now I'm going to clip it back together, and there we have it. Now check to make sure it works. Now it's not a perfect fit. As you can see, the numbers drop down as it goes down to the bottom. That's because of the design of the remote control. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.